Okay, let's try to solve this integration problem. We have integral of 2x cubed minus 5 multiplied by e to the power of half x dx. So we have two terms in this case. Okay, one of the term is 2x cubed minus 5, and then the other terms is e to the power of half x. So these two terms is multiplied to each other, and then we're supposed to find the integral of this multiplication or product, if you like. So whenever we have terms, in this case yellow and green terms here, which are not related with each other, just like a sine and cosine, it's related to each other. However, in this case, it's not related to each other. Therefore, we need to solve the integration problem not using use substitution, because they are not related to each other. So in this case, we're going to try either integration by parts or tabular methods to solve this problem. Okay, so for this particular problems, we have 2x cubed minus 5. So I think this one is better solved using tabular method, because in the tabular methods, one of the terms must be differentiated until it's equals to 0. So these particular terms in the highlighted in yellow can be differentiated several times until it becomes 0. And then the other terms must be integrated, and then we cross it up, okay, to get the final answer. So let's try to solve this particular problem using tabular methods, only because we know that one of the terms, which is in this case 2x cubed, okay, can be differentiated until it becomes 0, and therefore we can cross it over with each other to get the final answer using tabular methods of solving integration problem. Okay, let's try to do that. So in the tabular method, we have 2x cubed minus 5. This will be differentiated, so the next term will become 6x or 6x squared. Okay. And then the next terms is 12x. Let me just move this a little bit further. Sorry. Put it down. Okay, and then the next differentiation will be 12x x to the power of 1, and then the next differentiation will simply be 12, and then the next differentiation will simply be 0. That's when we stop the differentiation problem. The other term is, in this case, e to the power of half x or x over 2 will be integrated. Okay, so the integral of e to the power of half x, okay, the integral we're going to, if we have e to the power of 2x, okay, the integral of this will become half, okay, half e to the power of 2x, meaning 1 over whatever the coefficient of x there, because this is from there to there is the integration. However, from here, okay, to there is differentiation. Okay, if you do that, if you differentiate half e to the power of 2x, you got 2 times, okay, half times e to the 2x. In other words, we back to the e to the power of 2x. This is that one, which is our problem, e to the 2x. Okay, however, in this case we're going to integrate, okay, this problem, meaning we're not going to take the 2 here, we're going to take 1 over half. So in this case it becomes 1 over half e to the power of x over 2. Maintain. So this is basically the same as saying 2 e times x to the power of e to the power of half x. Okay. Basically we double it. Alright, the next integration of that will simply the same thing. We're going to multiply by 2. So the next term will become 4 to the power of half x, and then the next term will become 8 e to the power of half x, and then the next term will become 16 e to the power of half x. So just like any other tabular method, we're going to cross, okay, that part, that one, and then this part with that one, this part with that one, this part with that one. The first is positive, negative, positive, negative, and therefore the summarize. Okay, let me just delete this. Let me just delete the first term here. So the result of this crossing will become 4x, okay, 4x, 4e, okay, e half x times x square, sorry, x cubes, yeah, x cube minus 10, okay, and then it's going to be very long actually. Let me just put it below here. Let me just put below there, sorry about that. Let me just cancel this. So we're just basically going to multiply these terms, okay, with this term, and then similarly, yeah, these terms with this term, and then this term with this term, maintaining the sign, and then this term, oops, with this term. That's not good color. So if you do that, and then maintaining the sign, okay, the positive, negative, you will get the overall, okay, you will get the final answer of this problem is, let me just write down the whole thing, 2x cubes minus 5 times e to the power of half x dx. This is the simplified problem, will be the simplified answer, okay, the simplified answer will be 2 times 2x cubes minus 12x square plus 48, because it was 96, 48x to the power of 1 minus, this is 202 divided by 2 will become 101, okay, raised to the power of half x plus c. That is the final answer, overall answer. Okay.